Hello, in this presentation I would like you to pick a very specific problem you have. Something very specific, phobia, a specific event you want to take the emotional charge out of, something very specific. Because now I'll introduce you to EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques, which is an energy therapy, which is all about getting the charge out of those specific events. So, here we go. Pick your problem. Okay, so now please tap here. If you would do a karate chop, you would find this point here. So please tap it and say, even though I have this problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. I know it looks weird, but trust me on this. Even though I have this problem, let's say, even though I have this fear of spiders, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this fear of spiders, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this fear of spiders, I deeply and completely accept myself. Okay. What it does, according to the theory of EFT, is that it eliminates psychological reversal. Sometimes during our life, we have a problem, but there are certain things that make us not want to completely heal it. For example, we might be afraid that if we stop being afraid of spiders, we might get hurt by spiders. A bit twisted, but yeah. So basically this eliminates psychological reversal according to the theory of EFT. And now let's tap on the points. The first point in the EFT sequence is here, in the beginning of your eyebrow. Here. You basically tap on this point here while focusing on the problem. Traditionally in EFT you say a reminder phrase. In this case it's fear of spiders. And you tap about 7 times. And then you tap here, fear of spiders. At the side of the eye. Fear of spiders. And then you'll tap under the eye, fear of spiders. And then you tap under the nose, fear of spiders. And then you tap under the lower lip, fear of spiders. And now this point is kind of tricky to find. You go here, there's a U in the area where a man would knot his tie, and you go 1 inch down and 1 inch to the right or left. And you basically tap here on the beginning of the collarbone. Okay, so there's another point yet. Here you basically go to the area of your nipple, like right under your nipple for a man, and slide downwards under the arm. Tap here. And basically tap with the whole arm to make sure you hit the point. And there are also finger points. It's on the side of the thumb, side of the index finger, side of the middle finger, and again remind yourself, this fear of spiders, and here, the side of the pinky. And you can also add the point we started with. And now basically rate if the intensity of that problem diminished at least a bit on a scale of 1 to 10. This rating system is called the subjective units of discomfort. You basically rate them from 1 being almost nothing to 10 being super powerful. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what's your problem now? Maybe it diminished a bit. So now you generally the EFT protocol is done in the following way. You do the psychological reversal, do the tapping, and then you do the gamut sequence. This is basically you tap on this point here between your little finger and your ring finger. There's this opening right here if you make a fist. And you'll tap here. Here, while closing and opening your eyes, looking down to the right, looking down to the left, rolling your eyes in a circle in one direction and the other, humming something, counting from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and humming something again. This practice is called the 9-gamut procedure, and it's based on kinesiology. It's done to basically, according to the kinesiology perspective, to take the healing towards the whole brain, because it basically synchronizes the left and right hemispheres of your brain. The use of it was very emphasized in the original meridian energy therapy, TFT. In EFT, people generally use it when they need to. But the classical EFT protocol is pick the problem, tap, and then do the 9-gamut, and then tap again, using the same reminder phrase. So again, let's tap. Fear of spiders. Fear of spiders, 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 fear of spiders. And whenever you can rate your intensity now. Let's think of the fear of spiders. And if it's diminished a bit and not completely, then just tap again. Even though I still have some of the fear of spiders, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I still have some of the fear of spiders, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I still have some of the fear of spiders, I deeply and completely accept myself. Okay, so then you tap again. Fear of spiders, fear of spiders, fear of spiders, remaining fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. It wasn't nothing wrong that I messed it up. It's a very forgiving process. Remaining fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. And then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again. Remaining fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. Fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. Remaining fear of spiders. And now rate your intensity. Okay, so that's that. That's EFT. Next but not least, I want to reveal some secrets that are not very talked about. The thing is that that in traditional TFT they also added another process where you basically tap here in the 9-gamut point, right? I showed you before, and when the SUD is between 1 and let's say 2, you basically tap here, look down, and then move your eyes up to stare towards the ceiling while focusing on the problem. And that's a quick method to clear the rest out, so to speak. And for example, some other energy therapists, like Fred Gallo, for example, do future pacing after the treatment. They basically say to you, now rate how much you believe that this problem will be completely healed after you leave this office or after this tapping. Rate this towards, rate it from 1 to 10. Okay? And let's say that you believe it at 1. So basically you tap this point again, imagining that you're completely healed. That you approach a spider and you hug it because you're not afraid of it anymore. And you can have it on your hand and whatever, and you are completely healed. And then you again rate your belief from 1 to 10. Whether or not you would be calm in that situation. If it's less than a 10, you just repeat the procedure. And that's basically EFT. Last and not least, I want to also add that you do not have to tap. Most people in EFT tap, but if you are allergic to tapping, so to speak, you can, for example, massage the points, gently rub them, or you can just touch the points and focus on them and breathe deeply. The advantage of the touch and breathe method is that it allows you to better focus on your emotions while tapping, because the EFT do not work on phrases, as some people say. They work on emotions behind the phrases. The whole purpose of the reminder phrase is to make you focus on the emotion while tapping, because tapping is distracting. With this, I found that I can just try to focus on the emotions. And no reminder phrase is really necessary, because I'm not as distracted as I am with tapping. I just focus on the specific problem and observe how it manifests in my thoughts and body. And that's it for now. Now you know EFT. Thank you very much. And if you're interested in more articles from me, if you're interested in EFT, bioenergetic analysis, or therapy in general, I invite you on to my website, mentaltherapy.net. Thank you very much for watching.